We bought some typical bread with some Matjes.
Mr. Captain Sasha is entering the boat now.
We find our first fishing spot in the middle of the ocean.
Today I go with my brother and pick up the boat in the garden, and then we go for a fishing trip. We go to the Baltic Sea and hope we can catch some fish, any kind of fish. Here is the nice boat on the trailer, and we need to fix it here on the car. My brother already packed everything. Fishing stuff, speaker very important, pump, petrol and the connector for the engine. Let's get ready!
Lass das Ding mal hier ins Wasser.
Mr. Captain Sasha is entering the boat now with some Fischbrötchen. Ich hab's eigentlich.
Los geht die Fahrt. This way. We bought some typical bread, it calls fish bun, with some Matjes. This is typical North German food. Onions, Matjes. I think this Matjes is like kind of fresh Matjes on salt with some vegetables, leaves, and it's very tasty. It's good. Da ist noch, hängen wir hinterher. Ziehen wir. We find our first fishing spot in the middle of the ocean. And my brother tried to make the boat tight on the anchor. We just put it there and try our first luck in this beautiful position. Fest, oder? Ich weiß nicht genau. Nice. Das küsst ihr. Seems like my brother is not the best fisherman. Yeah? I expected a little bit more, but we still haven't catch any fish. And not the driver We tried to catch a lot, but nothing happened. And we nearly lost my drone because my brother thought like it's easy to catch a drone on the boat. But it wasn't that easy. We are now back on the way back to the pier because it's already nearly 5 and we want to be back around 6. But we try still to catch some fish. Let's see. So here is again a very big, which most probably pick up some cars, some people and bring them to maybe Denmark, Sweden, something like this. Okay, we fished nothing, we going back home now. But it was a fun trip and a nice try with the boat. See you soon.